Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Money Magnet. Today, we're venturing into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, exploring the top 5 AI stocks that have the potential to become trillion-dollar giants in the next 3 years. The AI industry is booming, and these companies stand at the forefront of innovation. Stock 1, Alphabet Inc., Google. First on our list is Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google. Alphabet has been at the forefront of AI innovation, leveraging machine learning and AI technologies across its various platforms. Google's search algorithms, advertising capabilities, and cloud services are all powered by sophisticated AI, making Alphabet a key player in the AI revolution. Point 1. Google's dominance in search. Alphabet's Google search, powered by AI algorithms, continues to be the dominant force in online search. The company's constant refinement of search algorithms and personalized user experiences positions it for sustained growth. Point 2. Cloud computing and AI services. Alphabet's cloud computing services, particularly Google Cloud, provide AI-driven solutions to businesses. As industries increasingly adopt AI technologies, Google Cloud's AI services are expected to be a significant revenue driver. Point 3. Autonomous driving and Waymo. Alphabet's subsidiary, Waymo, leads in the development of autonomous driving technology. As the autonomous vehicle market matures, Waymo's AI-powered solutions could revolutionize transportation, contributing to Alphabet's overall valuation. Stock 2, NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA. Next up is NVIDIA Corporation, a company renowned for its graphics processing units, GPUs, and their applications in AI. NVIDIA's GPUs have become a cornerstone in AI research and development, powering deep learning applications and accelerating data processing. Point 1. GPU dominance in AI acceleration. NVIDIA's GPUs, especially the Tesla and A100 series, are widely used in AI applications. From training neural networks to running complex algorithms, NVIDIA's hardware plays a crucial role in the acceleration of AI workloads. Point 2. AI in data centers. The increasing demand for AI in data centers positions NVIDIA for substantial growth. The company's data center segment, driven by AI-related revenue, has been a major contributor to its overall success. Point 3. Expanding AI ecosystem. NVIDIA continues to expand its AI ecosystem through partnerships and acquisitions. Companies using NVIDIA's technology for AI applications, combined with a robust ecosystem, could contribute significantly to its market cap growth. Stock 3. Tesla, Inc., TSLA. Moving on to Tesla Inc., known for its groundbreaking innovations in the electric vehicle industry. Beyond electric cars, Tesla has been making significant strides in AI, particularly with its autonomous driving technology. Point 1. Autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. Tesla's autopilot feature, utilizing AI and machine learning, is already a game changer in the automotive industry. The ambitious full self-driving FSD initiative aims to bring fully autonomous driving capabilities to Tesla vehicles, potentially transforming transportation. Point 2. AI in manufacturing. Tesla's AI initiatives extend beyond driving. The company employs AI in its manufacturing processes, optimizing production efficiency. As Tesla scales its operations, the integration of AI in manufacturing could contribute to its overall value. Point 3. Energy and AI integration. Tesla's energy-related endeavors, such as solar energy and energy storage, also leverage AI. As sustainable energy solutions become more critical, Tesla's AI-driven innovations in this space could contribute significantly to its market cap. Stock 4. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT. Now, let's turn our attention to Microsoft Corporation, a tech giant with a diverse range of products and services. Microsoft has strategically integrated AI across its ecosystem, impacting everything from cloud computing to productivity tools. Point 1. Azure AI and cloud computing. Microsoft's Azure AI platform provides a comprehensive suite of AI services, catering to businesses across various industries. The growing adoption of Azure AI in cloud computing positions Microsoft as a key player in the AI market. Point 2. Integration in productivity tools. Microsoft has integrated AI features into its productivity tools like Office 365, enhancing user experiences. As AI-driven productivity becomes a standard, Microsoft's suite of applications could see increased user engagement and revenue. Point 3. Gaming and AI innovations. In the gaming sector, Microsoft's Xbox platform benefits from AI-driven innovations. Features like cloud gaming and AI-enhanced graphics contribute to Microsoft's positioning in the gaming industry. Stock 5. Alibaba Group, Holding Limited, BABA. Finally, let's explore Alibaba Group Holding Limited, a Chinese multinational conglomerate and e-commerce giant. Alibaba has been at the forefront of integrating AI into its various business segments, contributing to its overall growth. Point 1. AI in e-commerce. Alibaba's e-commerce platforms, including Taobao and Tmall, leverage AI for personalized shopping experiences. The integration of AI in e-commerce contributes to customer engagement and increased sales. Point 2. Cloud computing and AI services. Alibaba Cloud, the cloud computing arm of Alibaba, provides AI services to businesses. The demand for AI solutions in China and globally positions Alibaba Cloud as a major player in the AI cloud services market. Point 3. AI in logistics and supply chain. Alibaba's logistics arm, Cainiao, employs AI for efficient supply chain management. As e-commerce continues to grow, the optimization of logistics through AI could significantly contribute to Alibaba's valuation. Conclusion. There you have it, our deep dive into the top 5 AI stocks with the potential to reach trillion-dollar valuations in the next 3 years. From Google's AI dominance to Tesla's innovations in autonomous driving, these companies showcase the transformative power of artificial intelligence. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, consider your investment goals, and stay informed about industry trends. Investing always carries risks, and it's essential to make decisions based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. If you found this exploration valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance, technology, and innovation.